Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Brawl Stars matchmaking not working. If matchmaking takes long or does not start at all, the issue is usually a server or a connection reload. First, check your internet connection and switch networks if it's needed. Then try changing game modes, and some modes take longer to match depending on its time and reason. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Brawl Stars and then swipe it away. Then reopen it. This clears temporary glitches. After that, you're going to go ahead and restart the app, and your phone needs to refresh the connection to matchmaking servers. If matchmaking fails repeatedly, check if Supercell servers are under maintenance. Avoid using VPNs as they can place your regions with fewer players, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.